In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more coins fast and money fast here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you want to start by rolling slimes and re-rolling them until you get some decent slimes. You're going to want to have some decent slimes to do this. Once you do have auto roll, go ahead and turn it on, and you can hide it so it just runs in the background like mine is doing right now. It's so much more satisfying too. But essentially, let it run until your backpack just fills with better slimes overall. You want to have some pretty good slimes. Then go ahead and equip your best slimes, just like so. It looks like it just kicked one of my guys out. Oh, let's see what we get right here. We'll go ahead and equip that right now. But essentially, yeah, you want to equip your strongest slimes to increase your damage. And then go ahead and upgrade your roll speed and add more enemies. You could do this in your upgrade section. The more enemies you have, the better off you'll be because that means you can farm faster. And of course, your roll speed is down here as well. I think that one's pretty, yeah, that one's rare. Increase your slime slots as well so that you can use more slimes. And then essentially just go ahead and open up your backpack. And you want to go to items and use any items that you might have to increase your slime level, as well as increase either roll speed or luck as well. That's really the full process. As long as you go ahead and do that, you will get so much more like coins and money fast. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.